Good morning, everyone. I'm Mary Grace Kudal. I'm a licensed financial advisor of ProLife UK. Today, I'll be discussing the pocket theory and how it can help you achieve financial freedom. The title of our lesson for today is about the pocket theory. Diversify your savings for financial freedom. Our main points: the importance of diversifying your savings, the role of the insurance of protecting your savings, how to allocate your savings effectively, and the benefits of diversifying your savings. Imagine if you save your entire 5,000 monthly income in a bank account, what would happen if you get sick or injured? Your savings will be depleted, leaving you with a little to no money. This is where the concept of diversifying your savings comes in. The pocket theory suggests that you should divide your savings into two pockets. The first pocket is for saving emergency fund, short-term goals, and enjoyment fund. The second pocket is for life insurance, income protection, critical illness coverage, disability coverage, accident coverage, hospital income benefit, accident reimbursement, and investments or fund value. By allocating your savings differently, you can maximize the benefits it can give you. For example, if you allocate 2,000 for savings and 3,000 for life insurance and other protection benefits, our conclusion, so don't just save your money in one place. Diversify your savings and protect your financial future. Remember, financial literacy is key to achieving financial freedom. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook at Free Online Financial Planning of ProLife UK. On TikTok at Mary Grace Kudal. Like, share, and comment below if you enjoyed today's lesson.